So where's the plier? Yeah, first we need to squeeze these mounting tabs, 6 of them, with the plier, which I have already done for Taiwan connectors, and then populate the connector. Don't press it with hand. And use a no, I'm not pressing, I'm just making it sit there. Then use a 5 mm screw to hold the connector in place. So put in 5 mm screw. Remember, 5 mm is not the one that we are going to use in the final assembly. It's 4 mm for the final, but 5 mm is there to hold the connector in one place. Don't try to tighten the screw too much. That we have to do after we make the connector sit. Then use the peacock press and start pressing where all the connector pin array is. You'll have to be careful to make sure the pins on the front doesn't bend, or pins on the back side. So press it very slowly, no hurries. And you can press a little bit, release it, and adjust the clamp again, and press it a little bit again, release it. So you have to do it very carefully and very slowly. So it's halfway through, and we will continue to press it. Make sure the press is not over the screw, otherwise it won't press the connector properly. So you can adjust the tab on the press so that it doesn't overlap with the screw, and then hold it with hand and press it again. Also press from the front a little bit, very little, slowly. Then go on the back side again. Keep repeating the process. Once it is firmly pressed, then use the other press and put it upside down. This is a very hard press, so at this point probably you may want to remove the screw. remove the long screw and use tough press to press from the back side again. And be very careful when using this press because the press is rotating, so it will try to twist the connector. So hold the connector with your fingers firmly before you start twisting it. Maybe you want to take it a little bit from far so that you can see how we are doing it. It's over twisted. Twist it very slowly. As you can see, the connector is twisted from the front, so that should not happen. It should remain straight, so we'll try to push it back, and now it looks straight. And you can see from the side tabs are sitting on the board now in the front, so that indicates that connector is well seated. So these tabs over here, they are sitting on the board. And then you can also inspect on the back side if six pegs are coming out, 6 pins. Okay, so looks like it's seated. Now use the 4 mm screw to hold the connector in place. And do not over tight the screw. Okay, so connector is seated.